welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to be filming an empties video because my empties bag has gotten a little bit full and there's some stuff in here that I really wanted to share with you guys that I've loved using. So hope you don't mind. My son is playing in the background of this video. I talked about in my most recent Get Ready With Me chatty video, talking about how I haven't had the desire to film lately, and you know, if I want to film, my son's going to have to be here sometimes, and it's going to be like this, and that keeps me motivated to film. So, and like I said, for the most part, you guys don't seem to care, like if I film every once in a while with my son or with my dogs, like playing in the background and stuff like that. You guys have been really chill and really cool about it when I'm dealing with stuff that sometimes I just need to take a break and film with a lot of chaos. So anyways, let's get into the empties video. So the first product I have to share with you guys is this Bedhead by TG Urban Anecdotes number 3 hair conditioner and shampoo product. This has completely restored my hair. So lately I have not been using this. I've been using another shampoo that I got from TJ Maxx that I don't really love, but I cannot wait to go back to this. So I'm going to use up that other one I've been using and then go back to this because my hair is starting to fall out again and I'm losing like big chunks of it, and I'm having a lot of breakage. But when I used this, I had no breakage. My hair did not fall out nearly as much as it has been, and it just looks beautiful. Like, it looks soft and shiny and healthy when I use this. And the number 3 one is it's for weak, brittle hair that needs an intervention. So it's like, this is the most intense one that they have of the bedheads. There's 3, 2, and 1, and they're different colors and stuff like that, but I definitely needed this one, and it really helped restore my hair. So can't wait to go back to this. Next up, I have an Aussie hairspray. This is the Instant Freeze hairspray. I use this all the time. Definitely will be repurchasing this, and I already am using one right now. I actually have some makeup products in here this time around. First one is a Naked palette, the original Naked palette. You guys know that this was discontinued. I bought a new one, and I'm going to throw away this old one that has seen better days because it is like, it's so old, it's gross. Next up, I have one of these travel-sized body washes. This is from Olay. It's the Ultra Moisture Sheer Shea Butter Ultra Hydrant Body Wash. I use this to travel when I travel up to another state to see my husband's family, or when I travel on trips with my family and stuff like that. So that's what I've been using, and it was alright. I didn't love it. Nothing really to write home about. I probably would repurchase because it is like the only like travel size one I can find. I don't know, it's nothing too great, and it's not bad. Here's the shampoo of that bedhead one. I also used up the AOA Studio. These are the makeup wipes. They're the makeup remover cleansing wipes. They were okay. These were in cucumber scent. They just weren't like as saturated as I like my makeup wipes to be, so I probably would not repurchase that. They were only $1 though, so I can't really complain. Next up, I have this Pantene dry shampoo. This is the Sheer Volume dry shampoo. I really liked this. I think it's really good. It has a nice smell to it, and it really makes the hair nice and voluminous when you need your hair to be big. It works really well, so I absolutely love this. I will be trying this again. Right now I'm using one from Herbal Essences that I love as well. I have in here this Well at Walgreens Bronze Self-Tanning Spray Mist. This I did not love. It actually turned me pretty orange. Sorry about the loud noises, that is my son. It actually turned me pretty orange, so I would not repurchase this, and yeah, didn't really like it. Next up, I have this Briogeo Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. This I really liked, but I don't think I would repurchase because it's very expensive for like just a heat protectant type of thing. I actually get my hair protectant now on Amazon, and I will be sharing that with you guys later in Amazon, things I buy from Amazon video. So I hope you guys will enjoy that, but I don't think I'll repurchase this. It didn't do anything extraordinary that I feel like I need to buy it again. Next up, I have a travel size of the Herbal Essences dry shampoo that I'm actually using right now. I definitely would repurchase this, but probably not the trial size. I don't really need trial size. I guess for travel it would be good, but yeah, it's really good. I really like this one. I have in here a Clarks Botanicals Anti-Puff Eye Cream. I actually really liked this Anti-Puff Eye Cream, but it's very expensive. So I don't feel like it did anything extraordinary that I would repurchase it, but I did like it. It was nice and cooling. It actually helped out the redness on my under eyes. But again, like I said, it's way too expensive to justify buying, so I'm just gonna not buy this again. I also have my azelaic acid suspension that I use all the time from The Ordinary. I love this product. This is an amazing product. I recommend it to anyone who's ever trying The Ordinary products. If you want to get one thing, definitely get this. If you have any dullness to your skin, dryness, it instantly brightens the skin and it's noticeably instant. I just love this. I feel like it makes my face look so much less dull. And I just love it. It's a really good product. I have a toothpaste in here. This is the toothpaste I use all the time, the Diamond Strength from Crest 3D White Luxe Diamond Strength. It has leaked all over in this bag and everything is full of it. Great. I will repurchase because I do love that product. I also have an e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer in here. This is not completely gone, but when I used it the other day, it smelled terrible, so I figured it was probably off. I have had this for a very long time, so I am going to chuck this. But this is a product that I would repurchase. This is a really good hydrating primer. It's about $6 from e.l.f. and yeah, I really like it. If you have dry skin, I definitely recommend. I also have the Hourglass Mineral Veil Base Primer. This is one of the little trial size ones. I would not repurchase this. I don't feel that it's good for dry skin. It's a product that's definitely kind of like oil absorbing and it makes my dry skin even drier, so I definitely would not use this. I actually like the NYX Angel Veil, which is a dupe for this, better because it doesn't dry out my skin as badly. Here I have an all-natural tinted lip balm that I got from some sort of box, like a, I don't know, I think it was a cheap box a long time ago. I don't even know how old this is. It needs to go away. I never even used it. I used up a couple of brow pencils. The first one is my favorite brow pencil of all time, the BH Studio Pro BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil. I love this. It's so good. It has one of those really fine like micro tips on it that really helps you draw on the hairs nice and finely. And then I also have one of the e.l.f. brow pencils in, this is the deeper shade I think. No, this is brunette. I vary between the shades brunette and then the really dark black one when my hair is darker. So this is the brunette one. I love this too. It's totally different from the BH Cosmetics one. This one is more of like a softer consistency, kind of like a crayon, but it's really nice too. I really love it. If you use a light hand, you can really draw out the brow hairs really nicely. But I still like the BH Cosmetics one better. But you have to order online, so it's less convenient than the e.l.f. one. So I would repurchase both, obviously, but I tend to go for the e.l.f. one just because it's more readily available. I have a Lights Camera Flashes mascara from Tarte. This is a sample size one. Getting rid of this, it dried out rather quickly and I didn't like it. I also have got a trial size covered in toothpaste of Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. This is in the shade Mad Max Brown. I've had this for a really long time. This I did really like, and I don't like her other one in Trooper. I don't know if it's because it's brown or what, or if it's a different, like maybe this was the brush tipped one and I've been getting the felt tip one in Trooper. I don't know, but I like this one so much better and I would definitely repurchase the brown one. So the only stuff I have left in here are some little sample size products that I used for my doing my entire face with samples video. I have the Step 1 Makeup Forever primer in here. This is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer primer for Makeup Forever. I loved this so much in the samples video that I did purchase the full size of this. I also loved this so much that I purchased the full size. This is the Touche Éclat Le Teint Radiance Awakening Foundation. I believe it's discontinued, but I did find someone selling theirs on the website Mercari, and I bought it in my shade, so I at least have one that I can play with for a little while. I think they discontinued it and came out with a different one, like a different radiance one, but I loved this. It looked so beautiful on my skin in that video. And then I also have some samples of the Touche Éclat YSL concealers for my under eyes. Didn't love those, to be honest. I didn't purchase like the full size of that at all because I didn't really like it. So anyways, that is everything in my little Empties bag here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and have a great day. He says bye.